Hello and welcome to another episode of Math with Miss Bertrand. Here we're going to work on worksheet number 7, and this is more or less a level 1 because we have some addition of some longer questions and the parentheses. It could be almost level 2 because of the parentheses. But we're still going to work on order of operations. You have your order of operations on the side here, and I've highlighted the question that I want to do with you. So the first thing is we look at what kind of stuff we got going on. So we have subtraction, we have brackets with addition in the middle, and division. Now, if there wasn't the parentheses there, the brackets, I would do the division first because the division becomes before addition or subtraction. But since we have these parentheses, or brackets, that's what I always say, but since we have these parentheses, we need to do this one first because parentheses is the first thing we do. So I'm going to draw a little triangle to show you what I'm working on first. So I'm going to go 4 plus 8 is 12. And you don't have to rewrite the parentheses because you've already taken care of them, but you should rewrite the rest of your question. Now we need to look at this as if it's a new question. Now we need to look at, there's a subtraction and there's a division. So when we look here, we know that the division comes before subtraction. So we do that one first. I'm going to draw my little triangle. 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then I rewrite the 36 minus. And then we can go ahead and just do the last one. 36 minus 3 is 33. And that's your answer. So when you're going through the rest of these questions, just make sure that if there's brackets, you're doing the brackets first. And then you follow the rest of the order of operations, doing division and multiplication, depending on which one comes first.